first to admit it. I'm not used to laying low about my feelings. Tell the world.
Namaste everyone, welcome back. I'm Ishanya and I hope you guys are doing well. So after a really long time of not doing home decor videos at all, we are back with yet another one. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you really cool home decor items which are made from absolute scratch and waste materials that you'll find very easily at your homes. So before we dive into the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like this video and want to watch more such content. Share this video with your friends and family who'd like to watch more videos like this in the future and would want to recreate more things like these. And don't forget to hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's get started. Starting off, we need a basic carton box like this. I had this one lying around from years, you can tell by the condition of it. Of course, you can use the delivery boxes from Amazon or Flipkart. Next, we need to snip off the flaps using paper cutter so we have an open box structure like this. Once that's done, we should have something like this. Next, we'll be using bamboo sticks like these to cover the box. You'll easily find these at craft stores, but in case you don't, you can instead use wooden skewers or even pencils. Now I'm going to take my hot glue gun and keep going around the box, sticking the bamboo sticks at equal gaps. Of course, you can use any other adhesive as long as it holds everything in place properly. So we've covered two opposite sides of the box with the sticks, and this is what it should look like, equally spaced out and perfectly parallel. Again, like the other two sides, we'll cover the left and right ones with the bamboo sticks using the hot glue. So all the four sides are done and our super sturdy basic structure is ready to work with. Now to cover it up, we'll need some jute rope like this. This one was bought from my local craft shop. You can also replace this with a white rope or any other thicker rope if you want to speed up the process of making this. Start by applying hot glue at the bottom of the box and cover it with the rope. Keep repeating the same process with the rope while going around the box. Apply glue, stick the rope, apply, stick, and so on. Like I said, the process can be sped up if you use thicker ropes, but if you have the patience like me, you can get this done in about half hour with a thin rope like this one. And now quickly fast forwarding the process for you guys. Now once the entire box is covered such that only the sticks are sticking out, we'll switch up the weaving process. For this, we'll go around wrapping the twine one by one on each stick. This might sound a little confusing if I verbally explain it to you all, so just watch what I'm doing and you'll get the hang of it. It's super easy once you know how to start following the pattern and then just repeat the same thing going around the box like before, and you'll see what a beautiful pattern it starts forming as we go along. This is what it looks like halfway through, and to explain it once more, here's the top angle of the weaving process, just in case you guys are still a little confused. You'll see how the pattern has now started coming along. Now once we reach the top, snip off the jute twine and seal the loose end using hot glue. And to ensure that all sides are secure and the rope doesn't slide off, we'll apply some glue at the tops as well. So our DIY basket is ready. I think it already looks gorgeous, but we'll add a little something to add more element to it. I had this really old sari lace lying around. As you can see, it's super glittery, perfect to jazz up a basic jute DIY. So simply using my glue gun, I'll stick it at the edge of the seam and snip the end once covered. For any fray ends, I'll simply tuck it under the lace itself and seal it using glue. And this is how the basket finally looks like. I love how raw it is, but because of the lace detail, it also stands out so much.
Next up, we'll need 2 disposable glasses like these. Very basic, easily available. Now we'll cut the glasses body all the way to the bottom like this. We have to make these cuts all across the glass. However, one thing worth remembering is to ensure the number of flaps formed should be odd. It could be 5, 7, 9, just anything odd. Making it even will only get half of the glass woven, which then would be quite pointless. So I here have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 flaps after splitting open the glass like this. Apply glue to the center and stick the rope properly this way. I'll go ahead and secure it with 2 more strokes. Now comes the weaving. Keep going over and under each flap as you circle around the structure. Basically, we have to alternate the weaving across the flaps and keep going around as shown. Just follow the video and you'll get the hang of it. As you go around, the sides will start closing up, hence forming a cup like before. Once we've reached the top, we'll snip off the excess twine and secure the end with hot glue. Coming back to the pretty lace, we'll glue it to the top the same way as the basket. Ensure you apply good amount of glue so that it doesn't come off with time. So this is what it looks like. I think it's a super cute companion for the basket that we made. Add some flowers to both of them and voila! I think it's a beautiful juxtaposition, something so basic combined with something so striking. You guys know my love of pairing unexpected elements together, and this is one of the times when I've done a really good job at it. How beautiful does this trio look? I love the intricate weaving of these pieces, and who would be able to tell that these are handmade? Perfect addition for your gardens. If you're someone who likes really raw and aesthetic decor for your home, this is exactly the gorgeousness you've been looking for.
And that was it for this week's video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching these really nice and cool home decor items. If you guys decide to recreate any of these things at your home, make sure you send me a DM or tag me in your amazing recreations on social media. I'm going to be leaving all of my social media handles right here on the screen, so you guys can connect with me there. And before you leave, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you very, very soon in my next video. Bye!